Welcome to the Gentleman's Motor Racing team, where we are competing in motorsport as a fun experience, and we're probably unique as most of our sponsorship is through crowdfunding from lovely people like you. So first I'd like to thank these amazing people who helped fund our entry fee to the Phil Collins South Downs Stages held at Goodwood Motor Racing Circuit, and we'll be reviewing that today.
Look at the mud on that place. Yeah. What for being sensible? Yeah, so did I.
Your support, as always, is hugely appreciated. Thank you very much. Okay, Goodwood, this event is governed by Motorsport UK. So everything from the car to our licenses and safety equipment need to meet current regulations. And all of this can be found in the Motorsport UK Yearbook, commonly known as the Blue Book. Now this can be found on their website. So if you're interested in all those rules and regs, I will leave a link in the descriptions below. So this event is a single venue stage rally. I had to get that bit right. It is mainly on the historic race circuit with additional chicanes, but we also venue off track in places using runoff areas, service roads, and even footpaths. In the grand scheme of rallying, this is not a particularly difficult event, but with all forms of rallying, it's always challenging. So our goal has always been, in this order, is to have fun, finish the rally, and see if we can finish at a better seeding than when we started. The good thing about this event at Goodwood, spectating is free. If you just want to come and watch this event, you can drive in, park your car, go all the way around the circuit, mingling among the pits. It's a great place for friends, family, and sponsors and supporters to come and watch. So next year, come on down, or up, depending on where you live. For fun, we thought we'd bring a Christmas tree to decorate the service area. And just for giggles, I actually took it to scrutineering as well. I was a little bit worried because when we rocked up at scrutineering with the Christmas tree held onto the roof with magnets, the scrutineers were like, oh, it's like that, is it? I see. Right, we'll be back. And I was like, oh no, are they going to go and get the big wigs? And they're going to come in here and go, lads, this is serious motorsport. You can't be doing stupid stuff like that. This is a warning. That's what I was expecting. Anyway, they came back with Christmas hats on and they were like, okay, right, now we're ready to scrutiny your car. And I went, okay, that set the mood for the day now. New rubber, Wayne?
New rubber.
How much are they?
Yeah.
I just bought 2 new tyres, but don't feel they're going to be amazing when I get home. Yeah, I finished all over the top of the rocky road.
Well, not bad for breakfast. Cheers, Barney. Muchas gracias.
That's unlike you, the smallest bit. Yeah, it's because you want to come back for more.
Next thing we had to do is sound test. Now there are 2 sound tests that we have to meet when we're at Goodwood. One is the Motorsport UK regulation one, which is 4,000 RPM, and I think it's 100 decibel. I think it's 100 decibels that we're not allowed to exceed at 4,000 RPM. So there's that one, and then Goodwood has a separate one, which is 3/4 of your maximum RPM. So they trust you, they go, what is your maximum RPM? And we go 7,000 RPM, sir. Then they go, okay, give me 3/4 of that. And you know, and as long as it doesn't exceed that 100 decibels, then you're fine. And we just scrape through it. Almost every event we do, we always only scrape through it. Don't know why. I've added an additional centre exhaust system onto it, you know, so it's now a double one. I've even made an extra baffle with the downpipe just in case we ever do fail scrutineering. I can bolt it in, but anyway, we passed, so that's good.
Someone that's got tough beers.
Look at that extra stickiness, look. Still fit?
I do. The diet's been working.
It hasn't been useful that, I'm only taking the risk because I can't fit in it. That's the real reason why you should.
Okay, service crew. So rallying is not all about the driver. It's not all about the navigator. It's not all about the car. It is a huge team. So you have to have a service crew because basically you've got to make sure that car is good and ready to go on the next stage because you haven't got a lot of time from when you get back to one to when you go. Dave Goodwin returned as service chief this year. He knows his stuff and is very meticulous, and it's very reassuring that he checks the car over before we leave for the next stage. He was joined by Scrap Heap Sean. Now you may know Sean from Instagram, and he is also the co-host on the Mini Life podcast. It was so cool to have Sean involved, and he's already been asking when he can come and do it again. So cars start in order depending on your experience and past results. This is known as seeding. There were 55 cars that entered, and we were seeded 52nd in Class A. And Class A, believe it or not, is any car under 1400cc. We were there with our fellow competitors from the White Autosport team. Dean and Barney in their newly acquired Subaru were seeded 9th in Class E. Wayne and Chris in their Mark 1 Escort were seeded 14th in Class C.
Touch. I thought it was posh. Turns out it's not.
Right, so coming off the start, 2 right, 2 left. Where's my
It was often the case that they would complete their stage and return before we'd even left service to go to stage arrival.
Yeah.
You will be penalised for hitting chicanes.
Okay.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 2 right, 2 left, 150. Go on, keep going, keep going, keep going. 150, 3 left, opens to 4 left. 200, 3 left, opens to 4 left. 3 left, opens to... Yeah, it's cool. 200, right entry, bus stop. Right entry, bus stop.
Would you put it away normally and not too mad? Give it a little bit, heat the tyres up a bit. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 5 right, into 2 left. That's fucking shit. Onto short straight. Into 4 left, caution slippy. 4 left, caution slippy.
Yeah, stage 1, it was so cold that my glasses kept steaming up. I couldn't see where I was going. And unfortunately, the front GoPro couldn't cope with the temperature and the battery was just dying. So later on in the day, I was having to remove the GoPro, charge it up between stages so that we could get a forward facing camera for the rest of the event. Now, because it's in a single venue and around a circuit, you may have, it is normal practice to have to go around some of the circuit more than once. And because of that, you get splits and merges. So cars are sent off in 1 minute intervals. So on the merge, the car already on the track has the right of way.
Go. 100. Merge, cars from the right. 100, split left.
Split left.
The rule with splits are you're not allowed to reverse, turn around or cut through cones if you go the wrong side of a split. Now the penalty is disqualification. Yeah, if you go the wrong side of the split, you just have to continue. You'll either finish the rally early, which means I think you probably get stage maximum, or you've got to do the whole loop again. Yeah, there's no way around it. You made that mistake, you've got to do it. We made that mistake when we did the island stages in the mini on the gravel event. Yeah, it happens from time to time.
That was good. Took me a lap to get into it.
We did an extra lap. We had confusion on the merge.
What's it like out, chaps?
Slippy.
Slippy.
To the end, we're splitting right. We're turning turn 1 right through gate, turn 1 right through gate, 90 right to finish, 90 right to finish. That's it, go, go, go. Mate, that was heroic. That was so good.
Into a 3 left, onto long straight. Into right entry, 3-bar chicane. Right entry, 3-bar chicane. Don't go to the white line. Into a 90 right. Into a 90 left. Into a 3 left. Into a 4 right.
Get to slow us down though. After that, I thought, go.
It was great. Yeah. He hit it square in the side, they like sent that across the track. Went another 90 and back up the right. He proper sent it. You're alright. You're dead on the door, mate. That's it.
Hey, where's the mirror gone?
Well, that you don't need that. You don't need that. That's for looking behind you.
All I remember thinking is that pallet looks very hard and it's coming up very quick.
Yeah, but that's a natural view.
The incident. What were my findings from that little incident? Now, let me tell you, when you're behind the wheel of the car and you're rallying, racing, okay, you're in your head, you're thinking, I've got to shave the time off everything that I do, which is to a certain point exactly what you need to do. But I was thinking, you know, brake later going into chicanes and obviously take the tighter line. But it was surprising after the event that, you know, my mates from White Motorsport said, could we just do a comparison and see who was quicker through the chicanes and stuff like that? And when I did that, I noticed that the Mini actually isn't much slower, maybe a tenth of a second or a couple of tenths slower than my friends in the much higher, more performance cars. And why is that? It's obviously down to the handling of the Mini and also the size. So me risking it for a biscuit to gain like a tenth of a second through those chicanes, that in the grand scheme of the rally, that doesn't make anything. I'm already competitive through those chicanes. So why should I try and risk the car by being even more competitive? You know, where should I be looking for gains? And that's basically on the big section around a lot of those bends. Rather than being off the power, on the power, I should just be... Anyway, there are other ways that I could gain time or lose time. I can't remember which way would that be. Anyway, I could be fast around the stage without having to risk the car and ourselves by, you know, cutting corners literally in the chicanes. So I won't be doing that again.
You got your wing mirror back, mate?
Dave, we've got 6 minutes till we've got to leave. We've got 6 minutes till we've got to be at the drop. You look like you were rushing quite a lot.
Sliding out there, isn't it?
Yeah, I think there's a lot of mud.
Mud's on there.
A lot of mud coming on the track there.
Yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. 100. Merge cars from the right. 100. Split left.
Split left.
200. Bus stop. Left entry bus stop. 400. Right entry bus stop. Right entry bus stop. Right entry bus stop. 150, left 4, tightens to left 3, keep left. Keep left. 150, right 3,
Look at the mud on the place.
Yeah. 100. Split left.
Split left.
Split left. 200. Left entry bus stop. We split right.
Split right.
Split right. Right 90, left 90. No, right 90. Over finish.
You know what? I drove a lot calmer there.
You did?
And I think it was faster.
Yeah, I think it
It was, wasn't it?
So Barney, what was the implications of doing the extra lap? Is that like to get stage maximum or whatever your time was?
No, we're penalised by the amount of extra time that we spent.
Okay.
And we then exaggerated our penalty by sitting behind Wayne. Because we thought our stage is already over.
Yeah,
so we'll let Wayne. We're not going to push him into an accident.
No, of course.
And he was driving in his mirrors thinking, I'm going to let them come past me.
Oh.
So we were both driving around at half pace.
Oh no.
So we've exaggerated our penalty. We're about 3 minutes down.
3 minutes down?
Yeah. But we are now setting
But still ahead of us?
Yes, yeah.
That's all right then,
No,
that's fine.
We are now setting sort of 5th, 6th, half stages.
Okay.
So from a quick glance, not all of the stage times are up yet, but the fast guys are on now.
No. Tyre change, mate? No? Just checking. Yeah,
22.
It's good. No, you carry on. Right, for those that don't know, our little Mini here, how we sponsor our Mini is basically through crowdfunding. So there have been lots of generous people that have helped pay for the intercom, the fire extinguisher, the navigator seat, and it's all been like little donations from like maybe £5, £10, and it all adds up and it allows us to do the motorsport that we enjoy to do. And so we asked as well if we could, if some way we could crowdfund our entry to this event. So to actually enter the South Downs Stages, we said, you know, maybe if you could sort of donate £10, you know, that would be amazing to allow us to do the sport. Lee here from Mac Tools Isle of Wight said, do you know what, if I could, I'll give you a prize. So those people that actually entered, there is a chance that they could win, you know, what is it? What you got, mate?
It's a 1/4-inch bit driver, mate.
It's a quality Mac Tools driver. And so thank you very much for your generosity. I mean,
no problems at all, Kev.
I'm always, you know, overwhelmed by how much support we have for our little team. So what we've done is all the people that have donated £10 towards our entry to this event, we put their name in the hat and we'll draw it out, and that lucky person is going to get that Mac Tools tool sent to them. So go on then, mate.
So everyone that did take part, well done on behalf of the Gentleman's Motor Racing team and Kevin Catrin. It's not an easy thing to do, to fund, but the lucky winner is
Matthew Pink.
Matthew Pink.
That's brilliant. You know, Matthew Pink, he's a Patreon, so we have a Patreon page, so people sort of give us a monthly donation to help us to do these sort of things. He did help us raise the intercom, and obviously he's helped us with the entry to the South Downs stage. So everybody is a worthy winner, but Matt Pink genuinely is a very nice chap. So Matt, we'll get that to you very soon.
Well done, Matt. Well done, everybody else. It's amazing, and great support for a great team. So well done.
Thank you very much.
No problems at all, Kev. Glad to help out. Cheers, guys.
Sure. That's all right, German sausage, mate. That's it.
That's it.
So, thank you very much for helping today.
You're more
Appreciate
welcome.
it. But these are
Oh, you guys didn't have to do.
So your next job is to hand those out.
Fantastic. Thank you.
Pink one. Thank you very much.
No worries. Thank you. Anyone else? Birthday cake. Sorry? It was a dream to do. You sure?
I'll have one at the end.
Yeah, and you can have this one.
You can have that one, mate.
There you go, just some ketchup in it.
It'll be very hot stuff.
How's that?
Perfect.
Let's have a look at your sausage. Oh, that's impressive. Everyone likes a sausage.
I was well okay with that. Yeah, it was.
Got cold hands.
Is that right? Yeah.
Is there still a car ahead, or is that? He's not on the start line, is he? No,
No,
must be
no.
one more. Oh, lads, the old sun's a bit low, isn't it? Yeah? No, I haven't got it. I'll be alright. I can't see the clocks here.
Yeah, I'll
don't
tell
I?
you.
Yeah.
30 seconds. Five, four, three, two, one. Go. 100. Merge cars from the right. 300. Come on, Right four long. Oh, this is hold. 150 into right entry, double bus stop. Right entry, double bus stop. Right 5, 300, left entry, bus stop, left entry, bus stop. Right 4 into left entry, 3-bar chicane. Chicane. Left 3, keep right. Right 3 into right 4 to left entry, bus stop. 100. Then you've got a left entry off track bus stop. Left entry off track bus stop. Have to be tight. Split right.
Split right.
Split right. 100. Goodwood chicane. 200, right entry, chicane, stay left on exit. 100 merge, 300, right 4 long. Left trooper, then we split left.
Split left.
Split left, 100, left 90, right 90, over the finish.
Well done. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh yeah, I'm completely disorientated here. Oh, that was horrid when they bent towards the double bus stop, wasn't it? That was the worst bit with the sun.
The sun, yeah. I was literally, I couldn't see where I was going, so it was all on trust.
Yeah.
That I knew where I was going. A, your notes, and B, that I knew the track.
Yeah.
A huge shout out to everybody that's helped us financially or otherwise to be able to do the sport that we love to do. I'd like to thank our patrons and our YouTube members. I'd like to thank the people that have helped fundraise all the individual parts that we've needed so far to get this car up and running so we can go rallying. And if you'd like to see more additional footage, believe it or not, I make a video every week known as the midweek update. And it is where we discuss, we get the car ready, we talk about other things, all the other projects. It's quite a giggle to watch. So if you'd like to see those videos, become a YouTube member or become a patron, and you'll be sent them on a weekly basis. Okay, stage 6. It's starting to get dark, but it's not dark yet. So thanks to the advice of Dave and Sean, we put the light bar on the Mini in stage 6, despite other teams not doing so. The reason for this is by the time that we get to stage arrival, the sun would have already gone and it would have started to get dark.
good.
I'm really wishing that I'd marked this in something other than pencil. Pencil's really hard to see. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 50. 150. 4 right into 1 left, 1 right. 50.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It is slippery.
Okay.
Very slippery, apparently. That's come back from the marshals, the setup crew, and the course car. Alright?
Okay.
Just a word of
Be
warning.
super careful.
Enjoy.
We want to finish, so
Yeah,
be careful.
yeah. Just treat it as all slippery and see what, I don't know where it is, what it's like, but that's what they all said to me when they came back in. It just changed so much. Oh, okay. Fine. Alright. Enjoy.
Okay, was this run 7? 7. And as you've just seen, they told us it's so slippery. They're actually having to come and tell us that it's super slippery. So I'm guessing
It's slippery.
it's slippery. Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Merge cars from the left. 300. Right 4 into left entry off track bus stop. 100 merge cars from the right. That's ID. Right 4 into left entry off track bus stop.
Two-bar chicane, right entry. That's it, go. 100, 2-bar chicane, right entry. Look at them sparks coming off the wheels, they're sick. Love it.
200. Right 5. Oh my days. 300.
What is it?
Right entry bus stop.
Oh my god. Right 4.
100, double bus stop, right entry, double bus stop, double bus stop, double bus stop. Awesome. That's it, go, go, go. That was a much better rotation. You're a legend.
Well done, mate.
Well done, chap.
Does your side spark?
Oh yeah. It's obviously the friction material on the pads.
What do you think? Yeah, it was good.
Over the finish. Flipping heck.
That was unbelievable. There are seriously some points where I there better not be a stop car on track.
Yeah.
Oh.
Go on, mate, tell me what, it's getting slippery out.
Yeah, you can see the frost, the white frost on the circuit.
Okay, stage 8.
Yep, last
Stage 8, last stage. Well done, let's bring the car home.
Yeah.
Let's be sensible.
Be sensible. Just finish. 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. 100, merge, cars from the left. 300, right 4, into left entry, off track, bus stop. Left entry, off track, bus stop. 150, right entry, double bus stop. 200, right 5. 300, right entry, bus stop. Right entry, bus stop. Yeah, fog is gone. Right 4. To left 3. Keep right. Right 3. To right 4. Right entry, bus stop. Right entry, bus stop. 400. Left entry, bus stop. Left entry, bus stop. 200, left entry, off track, bus stop. 100, Goodwood chicane. 200, right entry chicane. Stay left on exit. 100, merge.
Yeah, that's the way to do it.
Thought we were being sensible.
Yeah, so did I.
Thank you guys for marshalling. Really appreciate it.
Thank you ever so much, guys.
90, right 90, over the finish.
Whee!
Oh. Yeah, now I've started the timer.
Oh well.
Oh well.
Or the outside air temperature, you can just hear it backfiring through the exhaust.
My old car, there's no way it would,
No.
it would have been all over the place. Whereas this, it's just like,
Yeah.
you know, it's, yeah,
But that's all down to the suspension.
it is, yeah.
1846-47.
Thank you so much for marshalling.
You're my car of the day.
Yay! Thank you very much.
Thank you.
What is the next event? That's what everybody's been asking. I think the next one will be the Bovington Stages, which is the tank testing ground down here in the south of England. It's all on concrete. Now, why do we want to do that one? We have unfinished business. It was our first proper rally. We didn't finish it. Katrin and myself really do want to go back and finish that rally because, as I said, rule number 1 is to have fun. We had that. Rule number 2 is to finish the rally. We didn't. If you want to see why we didn't finish the rally, please check out this video. Right, so until next time, Ta-ta for now.